Hi guys, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to enable and change time duration on auto save information in MS Excel. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, open your MS Excel, then click on File, then click on More option, then click on Options. First of all, check this option. If you are unchecked, you should check this option. Save auto require information every. You can see here by default 10 minutes. If you want less time, select here 9, 8, which one you want. If you want more minutes, then click on upper arrow. You can see here 11, 12, which one you want, select from here. Then click on OK. That's it guys. So in this way, enable and change time duration auto save information in MS Excel. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.